Good morning, and today I'll be showing you how you can view your stats of your YouTube Studio from your YouTube website. So first up, what you're going to do is you're going to click on your icon, which is your profile picture. So now it will give you a lot of options such as Google account, Switch account, sign in, sign out, and YouTube Studio. So the main topic we are covering in today's video is about how you can view your stats from YouTube Studio. So you're gonna click on YouTube Studio now. So now to navigate through YouTube Studio easily and in just a few minutes, what you're going to need to know is to know what each and every single one of these buttons do. So let's start with the dashboard. So in the dashboard, it's going to show you your overall channel dashboard, such as your subscribers, your summary from the last 28 days, and your latest video performance. And sometimes it will give you ideas if your channel is new. So if you want to view some of these ideas, such as got questions on editing and sound, get tips for making post-production smooth and efficient. So if you want, you can click on yes please, and then it will take you to a video made by YouTube itself, from which it will tell you how you can enhance your editing and your sound. So now once we've covered up about dashboard, you're gonna click on content. So in content, it's going to show you all of your latest videos, and not only your latest, each and every single one of the videos which you have uploaded. So over here, if you click on date, then it will show your videos by date. Now if you click on views, it will show your videos by your views. So I have uploaded this video called how to generate free AI images using Copilot. So this is at the top because this is the latest video which I have uploaded. Now after I'm done uploading this video called how to navigate through your YouTube Studio easily, then that video will be on the top. So like this, you can view each and every single one of your YouTube videos and check out its stats. So now we're gonna move on to analytics. So over here is going to give you 4 main topics in analytics: overview, content, audience, and inspiration. And also over here it's going to give you a small little sidebar about your subscribers and your views in the last 48 hours, and also your top content. So now over here it will give you in a chart, so from which you can see like easily that this time you got this many views, this day you got this many views. So the day I got my most views was on Sunday 18th August and 2024. So in one day I had gotten 69 views, and my second most is on Wednesday 21st August 2024, and on that day I had gotten the most as 63. So now you might be confused about what is a watch hour. So watch hour is how many hours is, if all of your views were compiled, then how many hours did you watch on that video. Let's say I have a 1 hour long video, so it means that if you watch it completely, then you will have exactly 1 watch hour. If I have a 1 minute short video and you watch that 60 times, then it means that you have 1 watch hour. So now we're gonna move on to comments. So on your comments, you're going to have some settings right here, such as published, I haven't responded, held for review, and mentions. So now let's first talk about the comment section. So if you click on published, it will show each and every single one of your comment which is there on your video. So over here you can respond. It gives you a small little box from which if you don't want to type all that, you can just click on it and immediately your response will be sent. So somebody commented that very helpful indeed. It was kind of hard to find a website which doesn't need a login or sign up. Thank you so much for the videos. Keep it up. So now if I want, I can like this person's comment and I can tell them glad I could help and just click on reply. So for these comments, I can just instead of going to specific videos and checking if somebody has commented or asked me a question, I can just go to this comment area and then I can respond to all of them here. And now in the mentions area, if somebody has mentioned you, like some other YouTuber has mentioned you in their YouTube channel, then it's going to come over here. And also if somebody has mentioned you in their comment section, then also it will come over here. So now you're going to move on to something called subtitles. So for subtitles, first it will be showing you each and every single one of your video. So in these videos it will give a subtitle. So it says languages 2. So this is not actually 2 languages. Your subtitles are only being there for English, and there is something called auto generated. So both of them are counted as English because I am speaking in English for each and every single one of my videos. Now for drafts over here, you can make your own subtitles for your videos, and for published it shows that all of your videos which have subtitles made by you. So now you're gonna go to the section called copyright. So in copyright, it is basically if you have used something from somebody else's video, or you have used something from somebody's website which you are not allowed to use. Let's say I go and search up Apple image. So now let's say I take an image of this apple and then I use it in my video. Now there's a chance that this apple might be copyrighted. It means that maybe I can't use this in my video without giving them credit. So I have to reach out to the person and then I have to tell them, hey, I'm using your picture, or I'm using a clip from a video. So then that way you will get those copyright strikes. Now, so a copyright strike is if you get 3 of those, then your channel will be terminated forever. And a copyright claim is that it's basically a warning that don't do this or you will get a strike, or can you please remove this video, I do not find it nice that you're using my things in your videos. So now you will click on earn. So in earn on YouTube, it will just show you how much you will earn in your channel and how much close you are to getting your channel monetized. So for me, I need about 298 subscribers more so that I can get my channel monetized. And also you're going to need 3 videos uploads in the last 90 days and you're going to need 3000 watch hours. Now this is kind of hard even if you get the subscribers. So now let's say you don't upload videos, you upload shorts. So because shorts are easier to gain views for, you have to get 3 million public short views, and also you need to have 3 video uploads in the 90 days also. So there's a button right here that apply now. We'll let you know when you're eligible. So right as you meet all of their goals, then they'll send you an email regarding that your channel can now be monetized, and you will just have to do some things which they ask you. So now you will click on customization. So for customization, you can add a channel trailer for people who haven't subscribed and a featured video for returning subscribers. So over here it will show you all of your videos, all of your short videos, and on your For You page. So thank you, and I hope I helped you out in making it easier for you to navigate through your YouTube studio. So just drop a like below and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.